Hey, what's going on everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we're going to be taking a look at a couple of cases here by Caseology for the Google Pixel 4a. These cases will run you from around 13 to 15 bucks on Amazon, so definitely very affordable. So if you find yourself interested in any of these cases and want to pick some up for yourself by the end of this video, I'll make sure to drop some links down in the description below. So they got two series here. We have the Parallax Series, which is available in 4 colors, and the Vault Series, which is available in this 1 color. So we'll go ahead and start off with this one since I only have one in this series right here. Again, this is the Vault Series, and this is going to run you for around 13 bucks on Amazon. Now, this is a very nice looking case in my opinion. We got this matte black color in the back, but it's got a nice texture to it as well, which feels really good in the hands. And then going up to the top, you got a bit of a different design as well, also giving you a nice texture. But let's go ahead and throw it on the Pixel 4a itself. Just slaps right on just like that, nice and easy. So as you can see, we got a cutout for the fingerprint sensor, making it very easy to find. And then we also have that camera cutout, which is a pretty deep cutout, so you won't have to worry about it getting cracked or damaged if you happen to drop it on its back. We got the buttons on the sides that are very clicky. So you can see we got the power button there working really good. Let's try out the volume rockers. Volume rockers working really good as well, nice and clicky. Then going down to the bottom, we got cutouts for the charging port, the speaker, and the microphone, looking really good, nice and precise. Then we got a bit of Caseology branding there on the left side of the case. Then going to the top, we also got a nice cutout for the headphone jack and the microphone. So overall, very good looking case. It really feels like it's going to protect your device as well. Fits on there nice and snug. It doesn't feel loose at all, so your phone isn't going to fall out if you happen to drop it with this case. So again, this is the Vault Series, feeling really good in the hands, looking really good as well. There is a nice raise in the front of this case that will give your phone a little bit of lift off the ground. So again, if you happen to drop it on a flat surface, your screen will be good, but if you drop it on any rocks, I can't guarantee that your display will be any good. And so again, I'll have a link to this case down in the description below in case you find yourself interested. Let's go ahead and check out the Parallax Series. Okay, so moving on to the Parallax Series, one of my favorites from Caseology here. We got 4 different colors. We have this nice coral color right here. We got this blue color. We got a light purplish color, which actually looks really nice. And then we have black. Well, let's go ahead and start off with the black color here. Let's go ahead and slap it on right here on the Pixel 4a. Same thing as the Vault Series. We got a nice cutout for the fingerprint sensor, which allows you to find that fingerprint sensor nice and easy. Then we got a nice cutout for the camera there, nice deep cutout. So hopefully you shouldn't get any damage done to that camera if you happen to drop your phone flat on its back. And then we got the buttons on the sides, which are also going to be nice and clicky and nice and responsive. Let's go and check out the volume rockers. So you can see they're nice and responsive. Then going down to the bottom, we also have the cutouts for the charging port, the speaker, and the microphone. Some more branding on the left side of the case. And then we got cutouts for the headphone jack and the microphone. And then again, some pretty good lift for the display. So if you happen to drop it face down on a flat surface, your screen should be protected and hopefully should not get any scratches or cracks or anything like that. And the phone itself isn't a heavy device, so it's not going to fall super hard on the ground at the same time. So that's another advantage if you happen to drop this phone by accident. But again, this is the Parallax Series case in black. The design in the back looks really, really nice in my opinion. Like I said, this is one of my favorite cases from Caseology. Really loving the design, and then it's mixed kind of with this grayish, this metal gray color strip right here in the back, and also around the edges as well of the case, looking really, really nice. But let's go ahead and take a look at the other colors here. Now to take it off, you just start at the bottom, peel it off just like that. It comes off really easy. Now when you put it in, you want to start at the top right here and then just push it down on the bottom like that. It goes on really easy. Look at this light purple color, looking really, really good. I think this one looks really nice actually. Look at that. Again, the Parallax Series, really good texture in the back. That's what that one's going to look like. Let's go ahead and take this off. We'll take a look at the blue color here now. This one looking really good too. Caseology makes some really good looking cases here. Look at that. I think this one looks actually really good with this device because you get that matte black fingerprint sensor in the back, and then this nice blue color right here. There we go. Let's go ahead and take a look at the coral color now. Let me throw that on right there. All right, this is the coral color. Now, this might not be for everyone, but you know, you do have your people that like this color, and then it's mixed with that gold trimming in the back right here and around the edges. And honestly, I think it looks pretty good. not too bad. So as you can see, Caseology is making some really good looking cases for the Pixel 4a, and not only cases that look good, but cases that are really going to protect your device as well. Again, this is the Parallax series, and then we have the Volt series right here. So if you find yourself interested in any of these cases right here, like I said, I'll make sure to drop some links down in the description below so you can check some out for yourself to make sure you keep your Pixel 4a protected along with some good looking cases. So if you did like this video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. I do have my review coming up shortly for the Pixel 4a, so you're not going to want to miss out on that. It's an absolutely great device. But again, thank you so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.